I'm J.C. Bernett, co-owner and president of Courier Messenger Inc. We've been in the Santa Clarita Valley now for approximately 7 years. Our customers really love the software, especially the quick order entry. Before, we had a web-based system, and sometimes it was slow and cumbersome depending on the internet. Since we put them on this application, which they just one click, it opens up, it saves all their entries so they're not having to re-enter all the information. We've seen about a 25% increase in jobs. Knowing where my drivers are and able to track them so I can make sure that they're running on time, because we like to be proactive instead of reactive. So if we can manage our drivers by watching them on GPS and we know they're not going to make a delivery on time, we can be proactive by calling our customer and letting them know that we're running behind and find out what options there are. What Digital Waybill does is it integrates with our QuickBooks. So our accountant, again, is able to monitor everything through QuickBooks, reprint invoices, send statements, and again, track cash flow. And it's just real simple because everybody uses QuickBooks, and it's a no-brainer. Another feature I really like with Digital Waybill, with the two-way dispatches, that allows the driver to get the digital signature. So this way it makes us more green because we're not having to write up BOLs, and that's cutting our cost and lowering our overhead. Where before we were probably spending about $2,500 a year purchasing BOLs for our drivers to have, that cost has gone down significantly. One thing I always looked at when I was purchasing a system was I didn't want to have to deal with a server. I didn't want to have to maintain a server. I didn't want to have to network a bunch of computers together. And with Digital Waybill, you don't have to do that. You load the control panel on one computer, and then you load the dispatch panels on the other computer. So even if I need to work at home, I can take my laptop with me, plug in, and it's like I'm working in the office. I'm able to monitor and dispatch jobs.